Oh, he found it again. Now he's gonna walk. Yes, then he's gonna run. Then he's gonna chase me. Don't bite my knees. No. No. Don't bite my knees. No. Go get dispatch. Yes, go get dispatch. Oh, you're almost there. Memphis. Oh, now he's going to run around me and bump into my knee on accident. Don't chew on my feet. No. He is so contrite. Oh, he found his tail again. He's contrite. He's so sorry. Yeah, they're expensive too. The blueberry cranberries were more than that. Yes, they were. There's not many of them in there then. Is there? Okay, so you told me you want some more of those. Oh, okay. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Oh, he fell down, choked himself. Because he fell down and hit his throat. Don't bite my knee or my shorts. Quit it. No. No, Yates, no. No. Did you hear that? Yes, he's back talking me. I don't know where he learned that. Well, I'm holding the phone with one hand and the camera with the other. And here he comes. No. 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 I don't care how big and vicious you are. No. Not the knee. No. Bad dog. Dispatch is watching and said, ha ha, I'm not a bad dog. Said, I told you not to get that puppy. Now he's going to find the yard pond. Nope. He was going to go in it. He hasn't discovered the yard pond yet. Oh, yeah. He probably tried to drown. See all that water? Oh, it's a big drinking fountain with nasty water in it. Yes. Oh, that's good for puppies. You're going to fall in. Oh, sorry, dispatch. Sorry. I did not mean to do that. Oh. Yates was biting on dispatch. Dispatch tore into him. He left dispatch alone. Now he's just sniffing.